Hi everyone, in this video I will inform you about an amazing opportunity for students. So it's a new program, it's named Research and Academic Mentorship Program. Before talking about the content of this program and activities in this program, I would like to introduce myself briefly. My name is Sumeira and I'm a PhD and I have over 15 years work experience in 3 different countries and 3 different national and academic environment I worked, and I have even the work experience in various higher education institutions. So currently I'm doing my second PhD at Stony Brook University, and also I work at the same university. So let's talk about RAMP, Research and Academic Mentorship Program, which is organized by SNAS. And as I said, it's a new program organized by SNAS. It is Society of North American Scholars. So in this program, we provide academic guidance and mentorship, but it is particularly for high school students, college students, and master students. So PhD students can work as mentors and master students can be mentees in this program. So the main objective in this program to encourage, inspire, and motivate students to conduct a research or to have a research experience, or maybe mentees can decide to pursue their careers as researchers in the future. So in this program, we aim to provide individualized help. So we match mentors and mentees according to their interests, their background, their future plans, for mentees, and also the expertise fields, research interest of mentors. So we match mentees and mentors according to this point, these specific points. So a RAMP mentor can provide some activities in this program, like individual or group research projects, or individual or group mentoring, or mentors can give workshops, training sessions, or seminars. When you go to the website of SNAS, so you will see a link over there is mentorship. Under mentorship, you will see the link of RAMP. So when you click on it, that's possible to see all information regarding the content of this program. There are 3 different parts over there. Find a RAMP mentor, become a RAMP mentor, and give a workshop. So find a RAMP mentor, it is for students. High school students, college students, and master students. They can be our mentees. When you click on this part, so you will see a form, and after filling out the form, you will be in our mentee pool. And then the other parts, becoming a RAMP mentor, giving a workshop, it is for mentors. So professors, faculty members, professionals, PhD students, or PhD graduates can be our mentors. Even they can provide some seminars, workshops, or trainings to our mentees. And if you are a student, so please keep in mind that it can be a great chance and opportunity for you. So you will have the chance to work with a faculty or a college professor or PhD or a professional. So you will have a research experience and also academic mentorship and guidance, even in particularly for your college applications or for graduate school applications or for your job applications. So we strongly recommend you to be a RAMP mentee. And as a last word, for more information, please reach out to us. And here you see the website of this program and also email address. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching this video. And we wish you a bright and successful future.